Welcome to an incredible mining action video. Today, you're watching the massive Caterpillar 374D and the giant Caterpillar 6015B excavators working together, loading Mercedes and manned dump trucks non-stop at a powerful mining site. This is real heavy equipment strength, speed, and operator skill in action. Let's dive straight into the excitement. Right here, we start with the Caterpillar 374D, tough 70-ton class excavator known for its efficiency and powerful hydraulic system. Every bucket full of heavy rock shows how fast it can fill each truck. Smooth movement, no wasted motion. The operator really knows how to get the maximum productivity out of this machine. And now, look at the giant of the mine, the Caterpillar 6015B. This machine is built for big work. Its huge bucket scoops massive loads in just a single swing. The size of the boom and arm alone show how much muscle this machine truly has. Engines roaring, dust flying, this is the kind of mining power heavy machinery fans love to experience. Mercedes and manned dump trucks are lined up one after another, ready for their turn. Just a few fast digging cycles, and each truck is fully loaded and heading out again. That's what makes a successful mining operation. Fast loading means more loads per hour, more productivity, and more profit. In mining, time always equals money. Now pay close attention to the operator's accuracy. The bucket lands perfectly inside the truck bed, right where the load is needed. No dangerous impacts, no wasted material falling everywhere. This level of control and precision shows real professional experience behind the controls. Look around the environment. Tough terrain, deep cuts, hard rocks, and thick dust across the entire site. But these machines continue working without slowing down, showing the strength and reliability that Caterpillar builds into every part of these excavators. This is why they are favorites in mining around the world. Let's talk a bit about what the Caterpillar 374D can do. Operating weight around 70 tons, built for serious digging and strong earth moving. The engine is powerful, steady, and designed to handle long hours every single day. Whether it's mining, big construction, or quarry work, the 374D always delivers high performance. mining champion, the Caterpillar 6015B. We're talking more than 140 tons of pure heavy-duty equipment. The bucket carries a massive amount of material to keep production moving. While smaller machines take many cycles to fill a truck, the 6015B only needs a couple of scoops. That's what high production machines are made for. Let's take a moment to appreciate the operator. Every movement, every swing, lift, and dump all comes from precise finger control on the joysticks inside the cab. One small mistake could damage a truck or cause material to spill everywhere, but these operators make it look easy. Skilled workers like these are the heartbeat of the mining industry. Teamwork is also a huge part of the operation. One excavator loads, trucks move in a perfect rotation, the ground crew keeps things organized, everything works in a smooth cycle. This teamwork keeps downtime low and production high, making a mining site profitable and efficient. Listen to the sound of power. The engines, the hydraulics, the steel bucket cutting into rock. It's like the music of the mining industry, loud and full of energy. If you're a heavy machinery fan, then you're definitely feeling the thrill of this moment. As we move toward the end of the video, both excavators continue working at full speed. Truck after truck, they never slow down. These aren't just machines, they are examples of world-class engineering, built to move mountains and shape industries. If you enjoy this kind of powerful mining action, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit like on this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing heavy equipment content from around the world. Thanks for watching. More incredible excavators, dump trucks, dozers, and mining machines are coming soon. Stay tuned for more heavy equipment power.